Edo State government don ready Gidigba to improve grassroots sport development for the state. Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, talked this one on Friday, July 14, 2023, when he carry waka go the University of Benin for the final football match of the Vice-Chancellor Games of the University Sport Complex for Ugbowo, Benin City. Oga Shaibu wey tok to tori pipo after the football match come tok say Governor Godwin Obaseki don invest so much for sport for the state and say some of the young talent for the event dem go bring dem into the Edo State Sport Commission Scout wey go come integrate dem for more trials and possible recruitment.
These are academicals. These are students that you expect to play in all academical games. And watching the athletics today, I'm already seeing another Toby Amosun in that girl that won the 100 and 200 meters. And there are some players here, just the way we discovered Imade, and we are discovering another set again. I have 3 players here today that I'm sure is upcoming Imade again. So this is not just talent hunt, but at least sport is back to its native land. And University of Benin is an integral part of our sport development. Don't forget, during the National Sport Festival, we co-hosted, because the facility here and accommodations were from here. So we are partnering in all ramifications. So the interfaculty games is one game that we continue to produce players for us, players for the state, players for the country. Imade is one of those examples, and I can see 4 or 5 more players in another 2 years that will be making name in Nigeria. Yeah, I feel good. I feel good, just like I said yesterday. It's a teamwork. I am grateful that we had a good team together. We have an Olympian being chairman of the Sport Commission, the permanent secretary, leaving everything that they do to come and help us to do that. So it's not just me, it's about us, the team. And we also thank the governor for believing in us and giving us that space and that confidence that we should bring sport back to Edo. Unfortunately for us, we are able to hit the ground running, and we are not yet there. But at least as it is today, Edo is the destination for sport.
After the end of the game, the Vice-Chancellor of the University of Benin, Professor Lilian Salami, co-presents medal to Comrade Philip Shaibu and other Ogbonge people wey tanda for the event now, Permanent Secretary, Edo State Sports Commission, Sabina Chikere, amongst others. From Benin City, Aweruswagene Ejo, TMC TV News.